What up, squad? It's your boy Mike T back at you with another video, another crash course. A lot of people ask me a lot of times, how do they splice words? How can I cut my letters? I'm getting ready to show you guys how to do just that. Right here, as you see, I have We Don't Grind the Same, We Don't Shine the Same, and I'm at home and I'm using my Silhouette Business Edition. So we're gonna actually type some letters. I'm going over here to the letter box, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th icon down, and I'm going to tap. It automatically brings up a text box. So we're just going to type whatever. How about my name? That works great. Alright, there's Mike. We'll make it a little bit big. I'm going to throw color on here just so you guys can see it a little bit better. And excuse me if I'm going a little bit fast, as I do have other work to do. I'm going to go to the other text style panel on the right hand side. It is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th icon down. I'm going to tap on it and I'm going to hit bold. Just want it to be a little bit thicker. No reason, I just feel like I like bulky letters. So I come back to the opposite side of the menu and go from the bottom up, which is the second to the last icon. And that is the knife tool. I'm going to click on it, come over here, and let's just say I want to do a straight line. We're going to go ahead and do a straight line through that. And this is good if like you want to add something extra, like an extra effect to your actual text. I'm going to go back and click the arrow key, and then I'm going to group all the top. As you see I'm doing right there. Command G. Now I'm going to group all the bottom. And Command G. Now I have two halves of Mike, as you can see. So if I wanted to put something in there, maybe like a text picture or something, that would be ideal for doing that. You want to use this to make your designs pop just a little bit more, make it look just a little bit better. Let me see what else can I do real quick. Hold on, guys. I'm going to actually make a square in between here and have it just different colors. No particular reason, it's just something to do so you guys can have a visual of what I'm doing. I'll go back up to the arrow on there, then I click that box. I'm going to go to my color palette on the right hand side, which is the third icon down. I'm going to click on it and make that red. There you go. Now, I could sit here and mess with it for a while, but I just wanted to give you guys a visual representation, as I do get this question a lot. How do I use the knife tool? The most important step is to remember, like if you have words, to group everything into two different groups. That way you don't lose it or it's not lined up evenly. So you can also use this grid right here to make sure that your letters is lined up evenly. See how the mic is just slightly off of the line? I'm going to pick it up and set it right on the line. And this was just a quick tutorial once again to show you guys how to use that knife tool. Hopefully this helps, because I get this question a lot. Until the next one, y'all, I'm out.